Coconut rice is that comfort meal in a pot, soft, fluffy, rich, creamy, and so satisfying. Let me show you how I make it. For this, I use turkey and I put the washed turkey in a pot, some salt, chicken seasoning, white pepper, onions, thyme. Basically, use your favorite seasonings, but I did not use curry for this. I also put in some bay leaf. Then I added some water and I let it cook. While it was on fire, I did the prep for the coconut rice. It was a rainy day, and because I had coconut, I decided to boil some frozen sweet corn, and I had that with the coconut. If you want to have a very rich coconut rice, it is better to make your coconut milk yourself. So I just put in some rice in a bowl and I just washed that, put it in a sieve, and I set that aside. Or like that time I picked you up outside of school. You said, screw my dad, I make my own rules. It was easier then, so much easier then. How did I deshell my coconut? I put it on fire. I have seen this all over the internet. Have I done this before? No. Did this make the deshelling process easier? Yes. Will I be trying it again? No. I was actually really ginger to try this fire method. Look at me using the tongue, bringing one out, putting another one on fire, setting the juicer just so that I can get this juice done. Anyways, I think I may have gone about it wrongly because I didn't read anything online. I just know that I've seen people do it, and yes, it made the work easier, but this was very messy. And then the coconuts were very hot. At some point, I had to use like a towel to hold the coconut. If not, I would have injured myself because it was very hot. And I think that I even burnt my own coconut because for some of the coconuts, the meat of the coconut was now like soft, was almost boiling. Or I don't know if maybe that particular coconut was not good, but this was very messy. I will not be trying it again. Next time, they should just open it in the market for me and I will carry it and go to my house. So, well, after all of that, I juiced the coconut, and it was also my first time juicing coconut as opposed to blending it and sieving it. Will I be trying this again? No. At this point, the turkey was soft. I took it out, I put in the rice, I put in the coconut milk, I put in a lot of crayfish, then salt, seasoning, pepper. Coconut rice is usually very simple, so that was pretty straightforward. Now, I said I'm not going to use coconut again, and my reason is that for something I'm going to juice that will probably give me maybe just about a cup or 2 cups of coconut milk. I do not want to go through the stress of uncoupling a juicer and also washing it. That high effort low reward, I won't do it again. So in a pan, I had some leftover stew and I just used it to stew the turkey. I also wanted some veggies in it, so I put in the veggies. And when that was done, I checked on the rice and the rice was soft. This coconut rice was so good. I feel like plain coconut rice like this is still the best as opposed to maybe putting veggies in it. This was a very nice meal. Let me know if you are going to try this. Also, let me know if you've deshelled your coconut by putting it on fire. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye. Yeah, we had one of them.